Dealing with the Vcomp.dll runtime error interrupting your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this library conflict. Before we begin the manual steps for Vcomp module, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This DLL file is the Microsoft OpenMP Runtime Library. It provides the essential routines for parallel programming, allowing C++ applications to distribute computational tasks across multiple CPU cores for speed. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Vcomp module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Warning: the Vcomp module DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes the Vcomp module documentation. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for the Vcomp module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support